Now, in this training, we cannot discuss about electricity without talking about the basic element of electricity itself, known as atom. Now, atom is actually the smallest indivisible element of a component or of a unit. Now, in our elementary science, you discuss what is known as matter. Matter is just a substance. In fact, every substance you can pick up from the earth today is form of what is known as matter. Now, the smallest indivisible part of this matter is known as atom. And anybody who may want to understand electricity properly needs to understand what atom is made up of. Now, atom is made up of three basic particles. Now, in the diagram you are looking at, you are seeing the diagram of an atom. Now, the entire diagram you see is a circle, as you can see it. Now, you can see some dots, some black particles that is dotted around the bigger circle. Now, the circle, what we know as circumference in circle, is known as orbit here in the atom. Now, the black particles is referred to as electrons. In the middle of the circle, we have what is known as nucleus. In the nucleus, you have proton in the nucleus of the atom. Now, from these three particles I've explained to you, that's electron, proton, and then the nucleus. The only dynamic particle, that is the particle that moves, is electron. Now, proton is usually static, is motionless. It doesn't move. Okay, it just stays in that particular position it is. Now, scientists believe that electrons are negatively charged, while protons are positively charged. What generates electricity is the movement of electrons within a particular component. Now, the principle, I'm going to take you through the principle of how electricity is generated, but understand the basic structure of this atom first. When you understand the makeup, that okay, you have an element who has three particles. One of the particles, electron, is the one that moves around, it usually moves, while the proton does not move and is within the nucleus. If you can understand and keep that concept in your head for now, in the next chapter I'm going to be discussing, you will understand how this play out in generating electricity.